Action words that begin with the letter A. Let's check it out. Accelerate, to make something go faster. Advised, to give a recommendation about what should be done. Accomplish, to do or finish something successfully. Advocate, a lawyer who defends somebody in a court of law. Assist, to give support. Accuse, to blame for wrongdoing. Analyze, to examine in detail to discover the meaning. Attain, to achieve or accomplish. Achieve, to complete something by hard work and skill. Apply, to put on a surface. Audit, examine carefully for accuracy with the intent of verification. Absorb, to take in and hold something. Acquire, to obtain or buy something. Appoint, to choose somebody for a job or position. Arbitrate, to make a judgment in an argument. Accept, to agree to take something that somebody offers you. Abhor, to hate something very much. Abide, to endure without yielding. Assemble, to come together or bring somebody, something together in a group. Accompany, to go together with somebody, something. Accumulate, to gather, usually in large quantities. Acknowledge, to accept or admit that something is true or exists. Admire, to respect or like somebody, something very much. Advise, an opinion that you give somebody about what he and she should do. Agree, to have the same opinion as somebody or something. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.